Who need friend?
So I got bullied by my team today.
This is the Insta360 Flow Creator Kit, and let's see what's inside.
Transparent body. Let's see what's inside.
Oh.
This transparent carrying bag looks cool. This is their creator bundle.
Dun dun. Let's assemble. That's it. We realized that that's a tripod right here. Just have to put it out. Hey, now you have a tripod. And this is a creator kit. It comes with this small
How
little
cute.
light for selfie video, I guess. So just have to clip it on, I think. Clip it on. Clip it on. Okay, clip it on. Done. Yeah, just clip it on. Seems easy. Not really. And it's powered by the gimbal as well. Now I got selfie light. You can change the color of the light or the intensity of the light. Okay, the other feature that I would use on this gimbal is actually a selfie stick. You can pull this out, adjust the angle a bit. Hey, you extended your arm.
Is that all about it?
Okay, the last function I like about this gimbal is if you don't have friends. Oh, for those who film independent. So right now you just have to turn on the app, select my face, and it follows. Who need friend? Okay, guys, AI tracking with Insta360 Flow. Go get it. It's nice.